Stop letting standard saws limit your reach. The Milwaukee M18 FUEL 165mm deep cut circular saw is engineered to go deeper. While others fall short, this machine delivers 66 mils of cutting capacity at 90 degrees. It's the deep cut advantage that professional carpenters and contractors need to dominate the job site. Rip through the most demanding job site materials without slowing you down. This saw's bevel capacity ranges from -5 to 45 degrees, so you have the ultimate flexibility for every complex angle on site. It's packed with professional features to keep you accurate and safe. An LED work light for high visibility, and an integrated dust port for a cleaner workspace. Plus an electric brake that stops the blade the second you release the trigger. Built for the long haul with a magnesium base and guards for maximum durability, and an integrated rafter hook for easy storage between cuts. Pick up the Milwaukee M18 FUEL 165mm brushless cordless deep cut circular saw today. Available in store and online at tradetools.com. And don't forget to sign up to our weekly Serious Savings email to get all the best deals. Link in bio.